Alright, week 6, day 12, programming logic. Today we got counts and sums with iteration, and then the students took the quiz. So we looked at this example, the yellow here, what I'm circling right there, so that's memory. All of our instructions have to be in memory in order to be executed. So let's say we got some instructions in here. Here we have the operating system, that's using up some memory. Then we have our program, that's using up some memory. And then we have some variable storage areas being used too. So for example, we did some initialization. And then if you have some kind of loop, we talked about that. Then we came in the loop. And then we have this instruction. Well, that instruction has to move up to the processor. Processor retrieves C. Okay, C was 0 to start with. Okay, so it was 0. Brings 0 up here. Puts it in a register. Gets 1, has that in a register. Arithmetic logic unit adds them and stores it back to C. So it sends the result back. And so then C becomes 1. Okay, retrieves this instruction. That one, S is 0 originally. Then it retrieves C, which is 1. So then 0 plus 1 becomes 1, so S becomes 1. Then we have some kind of input, and we're in the loop, and does whatever work or whatever, and does this instruction again. So then it retrieves C, which is 1. 1 plus 1 now is 2, so then it stores 2 there in C. S now, S takes C, which is 2, adds it back to S, which is 1, so S becomes 3. And then it runs the loop again, however many times. So, if you look at it then, this is getting the sum, and this is counting inside the loop. And then maybe afterwards you might find the average. So this is often referred to as a count, a sum, or a total. So those would appear inside your loop, depending on how you're doing it. Okay? So a student asks difference between a leading and a trailing decision. Leading decisions are a while, a do while, trailing, or do until. And do. Okay, sometimes this is written instead of end while. A lot of places will write an end do. The same thing here. And end do. Alright. So, the same thing here. The decision's at the beginning. So that's a leading decision. You can make a decision if you could actually not perform what's in the loop if you got out right away. In a trailing decision, you're going to perform what's in the loop, then decide if you're going to get out or not. If the statement's true, you get out. If it's false, you stay in. Here, if true, you stay into the loop. If it's false, you get out. Alright, so that's the difference there. Whoa. Undo that. Page. A little hard to see here, but we'll take a look. So here's the program. And what we did was, you can't see them all up there, but we did the initialization for the sum and the count. And then inside the program, we count spots equal count spots plus 1. And then here we totaled up the paint. And all of that you'll see is inside the loop. This program is in the group 10 directory, so you can take a look at it, take it out, whatever you want to do. Then here we went ahead and printed out the count and the total paint needed. And that's it for today. Well, I should mention, students took the quiz today, quiz number 4, and we're working on the assignments. Working on the assignments and the computer science circles. And that's it.